Morning. I been on the go since 4 o'clock this morning, loaded at 5. It's now 9 o'clock just gone, and it's time for a bit of a break and my cheating way of bacon. A bacon sandwich, I hope. Don't really want to be bothered to get my frying pan out. So I'm going to do it in the microwave. That's the plan. And they are lovely, really are nice. In fact, I would even go as far as saying that I prefer it done in the microwave. And that should do that. Hands are a bit grubby now. It is piddling down out there, and I don't fancy walking in the services, you know. It's not nice. Back in the fridge. Some butter. Now my wife crease up now because I've got that. Even at home, I always have to get my chopping board out just to do the simplest things ever. I don't know why. It's one of those things. You pay a fortune in these services for a bacon sandwich. In this case, it costs next to nothing. I'm also trying out a Sat-nav. For those of you who are interested, it's bought it for £30 on eBay. They normally go for about 40, but this one was on an auction and no one bidded it for it, so I had the first bid and the only bid, which was £30 exactly, with free postage and packaging. It's a truck Sat-nav. I don't normally bother with them. I mean, I use maps and what have you, but because they were so cheap, my cousin John told me that he's had one for about 3 years now and he's had no problems at all. So I thought, well, for £30 I'm going to go for it and have a go. And I'm quite impressed at the moment. I will let you know how it comes on as I advance it through the days. I've been using it now. I left on, what day was that? Wednesday. It's asking me if I'm on a break, and I am. So yeah. I guess I should have took the butter out first. So I'm going to give it a bit of a trial and see how it goes, and I can inform everybody what I personally think they're like. At the moment, I think is good. And what I'm doing is I'm comparing it to a car TomTom. It is only for a car, and I bought that one cheap years and years ago for the car, and thought, well, I'm going to compare the two and see how they react against each other. And there isn't a lot of difference in the route that it takes. But I did notice that this one here, the lorry one, it was routing me towards a low bridge that I wouldn't fit under, but before I took the road, the thing went absolutely mental, and then changed its mind and then rerouted me around so that I didn't go under it. So it's good to know that it does actually work. Very nice. It's quite funny when you live in an area that's only 8 foot wide by 7 foot long. You do tend to have every little thing has got its place. Tell you what else these little cheap sat-navs do is that they, if you stand for more than 15 minutes, it says, "Oh, you want a break" and stuff like that. If you stop for very briefly on a motorway, it will say, "Do you want to divert?" For the money, definitely worth every penny. But compared to a £300 TomTom trucker sat-nav, I'm going to wait and see how this one performs, and I'll let you know. Right, that's that done. Nice smell of bacon. Look at that. Looks a bit warm actually. Da, 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 da. Yeah, we'll have some of that. And cleaning wise, just give it a wipe over with a anti-back wipe and job's a good one. All the little bits out. There we go, and that goes back in there, I've got a bin down here, and that's how it's going in the bin. Put my hands. And I should go and enjoy my breakfast. I will see you in a little while.